Hello, in this video I will show you how I use layering and magnetic tool to create different layer in a picture and also to copy one object from one picture onto the other. Let me open the Photoshop. Now I want the background picture first, so import the original image as a background and duplicate it into two different layers, and I call it layer 1. Okay, now I want to import one object from a different picture onto the background picture we have here. Open. I want to get that dog out of this picture and put that on the background picture here that we have here. Open it. Now zoom in to make it easier to work on. Now I use a magnetic tool. Right click on the magnetic tool and choose magnetic nozzle tool here. And start at the ear of the dog. Click on it and um, drag the line along. I have to do it really carefully just to take out the dog, not the background. So every time I click, actually I lock the line from that point and backward, so just the line can only change from the point that I lock to the forward point, but not backward. I do it really slowly and carefully. Okay, lock it here and continue dragging it down. You need to lock it here when you get to the curve. That's it. And not to cut into any background, just only the dog. So I have to do it really slowly. Can get really tricky sometimes. Also remember to include the tail as well. Lock it here and continue dragging it along. And this process can be really time consuming, but we just have to do it slowly to get it done correctly, otherwise we have to do it again. Okay, almost there. That's it. When we get to the start point, click on it, double click on it. So you will cut out the object, which is the dog. You hold down the control key. As you can see the scissor on the screen here, and left click, that will cut out or copy out the object, which is the dog, and click on the move tool here. Go back to our background image and use Ctrl V to paste the dog on the background image. So this create a different layer, which is the layer for the dog, called layer 2 here. I want to resize the dog, make it smaller so it can fit on the background picture better. So hold out click on layer 2, which is the dog layer here, and then hold down the control key and press a T, which will bring down the image resize, and resize it, make it smaller, and it's too small, a little bit bigger. That's it. And then we click on the move tool here, apply, and we move the dog to the appropriate location. It's alright here, I think. And now I want to merge all these layers together so we can reduce the file size while we can save it as a single image. So hold down the Control key, click on the layers, and then click on the layer tab here, click on merge layers. Now all the layers are merged into a background layer. Now I want to save it, click on file, save as. Let's create we have picture 1, picture 2. I also want to save this as PNG format as well. So we've got picture image 1, image 2. Now I want to save it as image 3. Type in image 3 and save. Okay, now saving. It takes a little bit longer than previous picture because we have more contents in this picture and also more layer as well. That's it. I reckon it's safe now. Let's open digital graphic images folder. Okay, image 3 is here. Let's open it. Open with Windows Photo Viewer. As you can see, the image here has a dog on it. And this is the modified image. And let me open the original image. You can see a difference between these two. One with the dog, one without the dog. This just to show you how layering can be used and how to use magnetic tool to copy and cut one object from one picture onto the other. Thank you.